G'day trendsetters, Tim here from Huntsman Brewing. Today I'm going to try this beer. So I was recently in Melbourne, Brown Nana's funeral, and got a chance to call in and meet this guy. And he was generous enough to give me this beer to test taste, so I'm going to give it a crack and tell you what I think. Let's get this bad boy open. So this beer's been brewed exclusively for our beer club, the Posse. Created our own take on the juicy, hazy New England IPA style and fused it with Red Ale, creating a Red New England IPA. So a red. Ooh. On the side it says it's a on the hop scale comes in as mild. Anyway, let's pour it up and give it a crack. The Road Brewers up in Beechworth there. It's coming through, yeah, it's hazy, alright. Looks like river water, but geez, it smells good. Wow, it's absolutely punch in the nose with those hops. It's fruity, citrusy, juicy, just like it says. Anyway, cheers. I'm gonna crack into this and give it a cool. Yeah, I'd probably put that a little bit further up the scale than mild on the number 2. I'd put that up to at least maybe 4 or 5, midway to extreme. It's got plenty of hop bitterness and punch is pretty malty. But anyway, it's a delicious beer. What's been going on at my house in the brewery? I just recently brewed it's a Huntsman special. It's just what I had in my stores. It's just I call it a lazy hazy. I call it just a pale ale. Mostly Gladfield American ale malt with a bit of Cara Munich Type 1. I thought it was Type 2, but it was not. It's Type 1. So I chucked in 50 grams of roast barley to try and get the colour up a little bit, and also chucked in half a kilo of flake barley in it to give it the hazy and help with the head retention. Anyway, that's at home at the moment. I'm in Brisbane for work, and it's carbonating. Got 2. I'll show you a clip of what I've been using to ferment in for this brew. A bit of a trial. So that's an innovation from Kegland. Ball lock. You remove the spear out of any commercial keg, 50 litre keg, and you can throw that in and dispense with it. It's got a floating pickup tube. Unfortunately, the one of my Fermentosaurus didn't fit through the hole. The stainless steel ball that goes into it. So I modified. I made my own basically. Just a trade secret. Not really. It's just something I made. And as home brewers do, we innovate ourselves to make things work. Anyway, it seems to have been really, really good. I got 2 full corny kegs out of it. There was a pressure ferment and closed transfer. And yeah, the beer's tasting really good, even though it's really young. A lot of Citra. So I was bittered with Columbus. Had Citra, Mosaic and Columbus late for a 30-minute whirlpool, and then I dry hopped with Mosaic and Columbus again, and it's come out very nice and nice and hazy. Hopefully still nice and warm when I get home, so I can enjoy a few of those. That's about it really going on in my house. So just a quick update. Thanks for Gash for giving me this beer to try. Apparently this is pardon me, one of the last in existence. Can't even get it at the brewery now, but it was a limited edition, comes in at 6%, and it's tasty. I might just sit back and sip on this for the rest of until it's finished anyway. And anyway, cheers guys, take care, and yeah, just be good. Just try and be nice humans. What's going on in the world? People are out there shooting each other. I couldn't care if you're black or white. You got 8 eyes and you piss out your armpit. Just be a nice human. It doesn't ask much, does it? Be nice to each other. Anyway, thanks for watching. Cheers.